Flowers and candles lay at these steps outside the house where the bodies of 35-year-old Tirany Savage, her 13-year-old son Dayton Cowdrey, her mother 58-year-old Kim Ebright, and 35-year-old Eugene Savage were found Sunday. Today we learned through court documents that Tirany and Eugene were separating after 8 years of marriage. On June 24th, Tirany filed for a personal protection order against Eugene in the 34th Circuit Court, writing this note in the protection request. He has mental health issues and recently purchased a firearm, and that is concerning to me. He keeps saying he is going to blow his brains out, and I do not want my safety or my son's safety in jeopardy. The personal protection order was denied by the judge who wrote this in the PPO document. Insufficient evidence of a showing of immediate and irreparable injury, loss, or damage. Petitioner can request a restraining order in divorce court. On July 7th, Tirany filed for divorce just 3 days before her death. The executive director at the River House that covers Roscommon County says cases like this have been more common in the last 6 months, and the reason is unknown.
One thing I will say for sure is, we can't say that intimate partner violence is because of stress financially or mental health issues or whatever else is going on. Intimate partner violence is a result of power and control issues. And so whatever level you're at, within that relationship, then it will increase the more stressors you add onto that. So that's something to really, I think, is probably where a lot of this is stemming from.
Scott says victims need to know how to maneuver through the court system, and River House and other organizations can help people through that process.
When the individual leaves, they are 75% more likely to be in a lethal situation. Because obviously the way the power and control dynamic works is the perpetrator is going to feel more of a loss of control whenever their victim leaves because they're used to that dynamic. And so they will push it to some of those extremes, threatening suicide, threatening homicide.
In Roscommon County, Ireland Viscount, Up North Live News.